Jake with Pristine Detailing and Paint Correction. I'm on location today doing some vinyl cleaning on a boat that I detailed a few weeks ago. I thought I'd introduce you guys on the best way to clean vinyl and how to properly keep it maintained and protected. So I'm going to do that today for you. I'll bring you in, show you how I do it, best process for me that works, and the results that I get. So stay tuned and I'll bring you in to show you how I clean all the vinyl on a boat, generally any vinyl. So guys, as you can see, this vinyl is a little bit weathered, hasn't really been looked after or cared for. It's not in the best condition. A little dirty. Nothing a little bit of cleaning won't help. These side panels are actually pretty decent. And a big box. Now this is a Whitley. Very nice boat. And we just finished a complete exterior detail on it. Full polish, compound, polish and protection to restore some shine and gloss to the gel coat. And it came out wicked, so this is just going to top. So guys, this is the process I'll be using. I've just done this whole top section here in this box, cleaned all that up. It's not perfect, that's not what we're aiming for. We're just looking to clean it right up, get it nice for the customer, because it's just going to go back out, get filthy again. So we just want to clean it, make it nice, look presentable, and then we're just going to protect it with some vinyl cleaner and protectant. So first of all, we'll be using our Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, diluted. I got this at 4:1, so it's a little bit stronger, just to try and cut through some more stuff. Meguiar's Super Degreaser is not as easily accessible in Australia. We have to order online, so that's why I use Meguiar's APC, because we can access that at Autobarn, and it's usually always there in the detailer packs. That one there, you can pick that up. Autobarn, it's about $80 and it lasts you a long time. So we're going to be cleaning the surface with that using a scrubbing brush. I picked this up from Bunnings for about $5. It works great for what I need it for. You can obviously use a drill brush attached to your DA polisher or your drill. That will work even better. Unfortunately my drill is dead. It went flat this morning at a previous job, so now I've got to stuck with this, but it still gets the results that I need it to. So that's the tooling, and that's what we'll be using today. So I'll bring you in a second and show you how I'm going to clean the... So guys, I'm just going to show you a little section. Obviously I can't access a lot with my camera there in this boat. There's not a lot of places to put it, and I don't have a tripod, so we're going to have to deal with what we've got. So this is our driver's seat, whatever you want to call it, your boatmaster seat, whatever. It is dirty, it's not been looked after at all, it's worn, it's weathered, there's little bits of mould and stuff like that. What we're going to be doing is, firstly, we will be using our Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner 4:1, and we will be liberally spraying the entire seat. Let it sit for a minute, let it eat in, do what it can do. Then we're going to come in with our brush and we're going to scrub everywhere we can, all the crevices, all the stitching. We want to get all that clean. And after we've cleaned all this, we'll come in with our steamer. Now our steamer has got a little brush attachment on it. I picked that up from Bunnings for probably $60. It's worked great. It's a good little handheld unit until I upgrade. So first of all, the cleaner. we can't forget down the side here, down the very front of the seat. So we're just going to let that sit for a minute. Now with vinyl, we can do similar processes as we can do a car with leather. Now I say leather very lightly. Most car manufacturers will bring out leather with a plastic coating, and that is called pleather. That is easy to clean. Usually a leather cleaner won't do the same job that it would on general rawhide leather. So what I tend to use, Meguiar's Tender One APC, it's not going to hurt anything, and then I'll come in with a follow-up dedicated leather cleaner from your local auto parts supplier, and then I'll come in and condition the leather pleather. So vinyl, we can do sort of pretty well the exact same stuff. So we've let that sit long enough now to start eating in. So now we'll just come in, give it a really nice stir. And this thing is filthy. You can just see all the brown dirt coming straight out of it. So guys, we've got all that done. Now we want to take our steamer with it's got a little scrubbing tip there. This is just getting all the cracks, crevices, and do the best job it can. We're going to focus a little bit more on the dirtier areas, just try to pull them out as much as we can and get it looking good. And then after we're done, just come in with a microfiber towel, do a good wipe over. Now you don't want to be too harsh on the steam, as you could possibly run the risk of damaging the dye on the leather, melting other areas around it. So we just want to get it clean, give it a nice steam up, get what we can off, and make it look nice and respectable. And that, guys, is how I clean vinyl. to an extent.